In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Atome from TikTok. If you've ever used Atome as a checkout option in TikTok Shop and want to remove it from your saved payment methods, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish clearly and confidently. Start by launching the TikTok app on your phone. If you're prompted to log in, go ahead and sign in so you have full access to your account settings. A quick tip before we continue. Having the latest version of TikTok installed can help ensure the menus look the same as what you'll see here. On some accounts, you may see a card tab within the shop area. Tap the card tab if it appears. It's simply a shortcut into the commerce side of TikTok and can make finding payment settings a bit quicker. If you don't see it, that's fine. We'll still reach the same place through your profile. Now head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main controls for your account. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where TikTok keeps all the account preferences and shop-related tools. Scroll down the Settings and Privacy page and tap on Orders. That will open your TikTok Shop Center, where you can review purchases, addresses, and most importantly for today, payment options. Inside the Shop Center, locate the section labeled Payment Methods or Your Cards. The exact wording can vary slightly by region or app version, but you're looking for the place where your saved checkout options live. In the list of saved methods, find Atome. It may be listed alongside cards and other wallets you've used before. Tap the delete or remove option next to Atome, or select the trash bin icon if that's what you see. When TikTok asks you to confirm, approve the removal. After confirming, Atome should disappear from your saved payment methods, which means it's no longer available at checkout in TikTok Shop. A few helpful notes as you finish up. Removing Atome here only unlinks it from TikTok. It doesn't close or change your Atome account outside of TikTok. If you have a pending order or an active payment plan, some regions may require you to resolve those before the app allows removal. And if you don't see Atome listed, double check that you're signed in to the same TikTok account where you originally used it. That's all there is to it. You've successfully unlinked Atome from TikTok.